Anyone who is talking, their faces come in front of me as a effect has been put on the faces. So she is right now hearing us. May she be pleased. Om Ma Shri Ma Jaya Jaya Ma. Om Ma Shri Ma Jaya Jaya Ma. Om Ma Shri Ma Jaya Jaya
Om Shri Ma Jaya Jaya
Ma. Om Ma Shri Ma Jaya Jaya
Om Shri Ma Jaya Om Shri Ma Jaya
अब हम
Om
मातृ अब हम सब मिलके मातृ ध्यान करेंगे। मातृ का ध्यान आप जो भी फोन से कनेक्टेड, यू ऑल कैन सी मातृ का ध्यान which has been written by Shri Jyotish Chandra Rai Bhai ji. Let us think Ma is seated on a beautiful eight-petaled lotus in our heart. Om Dhita Sahaja Samadhi Vedate Emakatim Dayana Sarasi Jatha Sneha Rashi Kira Manti Kalita Bhakte Bhaktamananta Nitadita Sharadino Mataram Jiva Tapan Shakala Kalpam Kalpavrikshopama Sharanagata Janam
Tarakam
Echa
Ishpa
Pata
Shanta
Hridaya
Hridaya
Kamala
Kamala Okay.
Payi Tvehama Vihita
Ita Kanam
Vividha Tatvam
Padapi Tam Aja
Namah Sripadapitha Bhaja Sripadapitha Namah Sripadapitha Smaram जय मां जय मां जय मां। अब हम करेंगे जय विद्यावासिनी श्री श्रीमानंदमय स्वरूप स्तव। ये पूरा जो है ये माँ का स्वरूप है जो माँ ने भाई जी को दिखाया था और भाई जी ने इसको लिखा था। भाई जी सिंपली पेन्ड इट डाउन, इट वाज रिवील्ड टू भाई जी। मदर revealed herself in the form of this flower. Jaya Jaya Vidya Sadhana Toni Sita To Ma Ma Homa Bhuvono Uja Janani Nirmala Punyamdita Ma Shadha
Beautiful.
Para ma o maru bisho kun chola yukun ta di toru pini ma ও মা ঐশ্বর্য ভাতিমা মাধুর্য প্রতিমা মহিমা মন্দিতা মা শক্তি শান্তা সর্বদেশ সুখ ওম সুখ
Varada
ওই বললো দা মা
Vaprasaviti
লিনি বিশ্ব সংসারিণী মা ও মা ভক্ত প্রাণ মূর্তি মূর্তি কৃপা ত্রিলোকতারি মা
Karya Karana
ভেদা ও মা বিদ্যাদীন যোগী জনরঞ্জি ভব ভয় ভঞ্জি মা ও মা মন্ত্র দীদা মেকা বেদ প্রকাশিকা নিখিল ব্যঙ্কিকা মা ও মা সগুণা নির্গুণা নিরূপা মা চর श्री चरणे जय 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 मां भागो प्रणमे श्री चरणे जय 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 मां Sorry, Gemma, I got disconnected. Sorry. Is my voice better now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So this was Mars Jai Hriday Vasini. Sorry for the network issue. बट अच्छे काम में हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ कॉस्मिक दखल पड़ता है. तो वी आर गोइंग टू वी आर माँ का नाम लेके हम लोग वी आर गोइंग टू ओवरकम ऑल दिस. तो अब हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. हम लोग जो लोग पिछले बार नहीं थे सत्संग में, हम लोग भाई जी के द्वादश वाणियों के बारे में हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था. वी हैड टॉक्ड अबाउट 12 वाणीज by Sri Jyotish Chandra ji. It's very interesting that many people today, I would say majority people even don't know about these 12 Vanis of Bhaiji. These Vanis are given at the very end of Matri Darshan. And particularly those people do not know about these Vanis, those who do not know how to read Bengali. क्योंकि इन वानियों को कभी इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट ही नहीं किया गया था मेन किताब में, which is there in English, and the book name is Matri Darshan in Bengali and Hindi, and in English it's called Mother as Revealed to Me. These वानीज are very important क्योंकि इसमें भाई जी कैसे करके माँ को समझना चाहिए, how to approach माँ, how to understand माँ. Such things were more relevant when माँ was there in her body. But still, many of the Vanis are very relevant in our daily life of sadhana when our Guru is Ma. So today we had completed up to the Vani number 6, and today we are going to delve about on the Vani number 7. Bhai Ji ke Mukhashri se Vani nikli. To the extent we are able to let her stay in her own bhav, whether it appears to be good or otherwise. To the same extent, it will be good for the world. All should be alert that there is no deviation from it with regard to her actions or even in such matters as maintaining her body, illnesses or inconveniences, etc. You should never give a free play to your own logic. On receiving a hint from her, you should abide by it. Otherwise, in case you are not able to do so, it is advisable to watch everything in silence. आप सभी को क्या ये वाणी समझ में आई? Did you all understood this, Vani?
It needs
शुभम थोड़ी आवाज की क्लैरिटी चाहिए, थोड़ा इको हो रहा है।
Acha, 8 seconds. I don't know why it is connected. Others also, my voice is echoing still.
नहीं, आप कंटिन्यू करें, बेटर है, पहले से बहुत बेटर है।
शुभम ट्राई रिड्यूसिंग द वॉल्यूम एंड ट्राई। खुशबू जी की आवाज भी इको हो रही थी।
What about? Okay, just a second. Wait.
लेट्स गो अहेड।
Is it better now, everybody?
यस यस।
Great. So I will again read Bhaiji's this Vani. I hope now everything is better, the quality. Vani number 7. So this is regarding Ma and how to deal with Ma's bhavas. Or in mota moti shabd agar bole, Ma's moods, because Ma was paradoxical, as we say in the Devi Bhagavad, ki the goddess is absolutely a paradox in herself, an enigma. Abhi kuch, and then opposite thing is going to happen. So when Ma was there in her body, and I think still in our lives we see that things which in Ma's Leela, so many things are absolutely where logic just stops. You cannot reason Ma's actions or her Leelas with reason. So that's what Bhaiji is saying here. To the extent we are able to let her stay in her own bhava, whether it appears to be good or otherwise, according to our perception, to the same extent it will be good for the world. All should be alert that there is no deviation with regard to her actions, or even in such matters as maintaining her body, illnesses or inconveniences, etc. You should never give a free play to your own logic. On receiving a hint from her, you should abide by it. Otherwise, in case you are not able to do so, it is advisable to watch everything in silence. I hope everybody understood this Vani. Let's go to the Vani number 8. From all people, she begs for just one alms, bhiksha. The arm or the bhiksha of God contemplation, remembrance of the holy name, remembrance of God every second. More than her personal service, etc., the performance of one's own spiritual practices, one's sadhan bhajan, will make it easier to receive her grace. I personally have found this Vani for my own self so important, and I think still so important. आप सबको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है अच्छे से?
क्लियर, वेरी क्लियर।
वेरी, थैंक यू। वाणी नंबर 8 पे अगर हम लोग गौर करें, क्योंकि माँ का भी शरीर नहीं है तो माँ के प्रत्यक्ष लीला हम लोग नहीं देख सकते हैं इस समय, बट ये कहानी है कि माँ हमसे सिर्फ और सिर्फ इवन एंड में, ये सत्संग की शुरुआती हुई माँ के भिक्षा से। माँ यहाँ आनंद तीर्थ कनखल में जो माँ का म्यूजियम है वहां बैठ के उन्होंने भिक्षा मांगी। उस भिक्षा में मांगने क्या मांगा? सत्संग करो, जप करो, सत्संग करो। माने और कुछ नहीं मांगा। She didn't ask for maintaining the ashrams. She did ask for कि आश्रम में भोग इत्यादि और मंदिरों में देव विग्रहों की पूजा सही से होए और भोग लगे। इसके अलावा माने और कुछ नहीं मांगा। तो वो भी सेवा है, क्योंकि सेवा करने से भी हमारा उद्धार होएगा। If we do seva to God in a selfless manner and in a very regulatory, in a very punctual manner, that is also a satsang. So same way Bhaiji is saying that
rather than even taking care and giving my personal service, if we perform our own sadhan bhajan, our own sadhana, our own spiritual practices sincerely, then we are going to receive her grace much quickly than moving our brain in other things. So I feel this is such an important lesson from Bhaiji. So अब हम भाईजी के इन वानियों के बाद कोई इस बारे में कुछ शेयर करना चाहेगा इन वानियों के बारे में, if anybody any thought is coming. And next we will now start the reading of Matri Darshan. So everybody is ready? Should I start Matri Darshan? Thank you. Thank you. Matri Darshan. Pehli kitab, the first book which was written on Ma, was a collection of Ma's Vanis called Sadvani, written by Bhaiji. वो भाईजी के शरीर रहते ही उसको मतलब he was able to. But this is the year 1937. I'm giving you a background. It is written in the preface of the first edition. So I'm reading it for you all. Matri Darshan. On the eve of departure for Kailash with Ma in 1937, when Bhaiji left his Bengali manuscript with me for publication, this is Dasgupta. Bhaiji left the manuscript of Matri Darshan. He was a relative. So he's writing. With me for publication, it was his express desire that the book should be published in Hindi simultaneously with Bengali. His unexpected death on the way back upset all our plans. The Bengali edition was first published in 1937, shortly after his death. The Hindi edition was published in 1951. Though the English rendering was ready, it could not be published so long. I trust it will be gratifying to Ma's devotees to learn that through the ardor and generosity of Sri Kamalesh Parasaram Punwani, a devotee of Ma from Sindh, West Pakistan, the English edition of Matri Darshan is published now. This edition will, it is hoped, carry Ma's message beyond the shores of India. Matri Darshan, even Ram Alexander, many people know his name. He is one of Ma's last Western disciples. So even for him, Matri Darshan was the very first introductory book on Ma. बहुत से लोग हैं that the very first book which they read about Ma was Matri Darshan. तो हम लोग Matri Darshan शुरू करते हैं. So the first chapter is name is only Matri Darshan, Mother has revealed to me. Now we will delve into Bhaiji's words, what Bhaiji is telling us when he was writing or when the thought of writing this book came in his mind. To write a biography of Sri Sri Anandamayi Ma, or to dwell upon her indescribable powers in order to attract the attention of the world, is not the object of this feeble attempt. I have, in this little sketch, introduced only a few details about how she has revivified my dried up heart. In this book, only those facts have been included which I myself have witnessed or accepted with confidence as true. All the blemishes which appear in this work are traceable to my own personal limitations, for which I implore her pardon again and again. I lost my mother in my early childhood. Bhaiji lost his mother when he was a child. I have heard my relations say that my eyes used to be filled with tears whenever I heard anyone calling out, Ma, Ma, and that I would soothe my heart by lying down with my chest on the floor. My father was a saintly person. The deep religious spirit of his life implanted in my heart of pious bhava in my childhood. In 1908, I had my initiation in Shakti Mantra from our Kulaguru. On that account, even though I felt peace in my heart by calling out Ma, Ma to Ma Kali, yet the truth that the Divine Mother is everything for all creatures was not revealed to me. So Bhaiji had got initiation into Shakti Mantra, in the mantra of Ma Kali, but even after receiving the Diksha, he was not able to understand the all-pervading power or Leela of the Mother Goddess. Anyway, there was an overpowering desire in me to find such a living image whose serene glance could automatically transform this storm-tossed life. Not to talk about saintly persons, even when I found any astrologer, I always asked if I would have such a good luck. None of them would discourage me. With that object in view, I visited many holy places and had the opportunity of meeting numerous spiritual personalities, but none of them could attract this poor creature. How beautiful. भाईजी के अंदर जो उत्कंठा थी कि मुझे ऐसे किसी से मिलना है, ऐसे मातृ स्वरूप से या किसी मिलना है जिनके दृष्टि निपात से ही अंदर भागवती शक्ति, भगवत शक्ति और भगवत लीला में आ जाए, तो वो दर दर भटकते थे, चाहे भविष्य एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स हो, चाहे सेंटली हो, चाहे साधु, सबके पास वो दर दर भटकते थे कि क्या मेरा भाग्य ऐसा होगा. Continuing now, in 1918, Dhaka in Bengal happened to be my workplace, and I joined my post there. By the end of 1924, I came to learn one Mataji had been living for some days in Shahabag, near the city. That she had been observing silence for a long time, but on rare occasions, seated in yogic posture, she would make a kundali, draw a line, round herself on the floor, and after reciting mantras, would have talks with people. Regarding this, माँ का उस समय साधना लीला चल रहा था, और उस समय माँ के लीला के अंतरंग for 3 complete years, 3 साल के लिए माँ ने मौन रखा. लेकिन उस तरीके से अगर उस उत्कंठा के साथ कोई माँ के पास आता था who was eligible, so माँ क्या करती थी, माँ ऐसे बैठी रहती थी और माँ अपने चारों तरफ उंगली से एक जैसे एक लकीर खींचती थी. She would make a kundali. And within that circle of kind of, that sort of circle of protection is even drawn when we do rituals. It's called a circle of protection or something. Ma didn't need protection, so she knows what she was doing. But that circle she would make like a boundary between the outer and inner world, and then only she would talk. So now we are going back to Bhaiji's words. One morning, I went there in a deeply prayerful spirit, and was fortunate enough to see Mataji through the kind courtesy of Pita Bholanath. Sri Ramani Mohan Chakravarti, he was Ma's husband, as we know. I was astonished to witness for the first time the serenity of her yoga state, along with all the modesty and grace of a newly married lady. See, here again, such a beautiful paradox, isn't it? Here Bhaiji is observing the serenity of a yogic state, and here also that Mahayogini is full of modesty and grace of a newly married woman, a newly married wife. Moreover, it at once flashed upon me that the person for whom my heart had yearned for so many years, and in whose search I had traveled from place to place, stood revealed before me. My whole being was flooded with joy, and every fiber of my thrilled body danced with ecstasy. There was an impulse to throw myself and prostrate at her feet and to cry out in tears, Ma, why have you kept me away from you all these long, long years? Just imagine here, एक ऐसा बच्चा जो अपनी माँ को खो चुका है और इतने सालों से अपनी माँ को खोज रहा है और उसकी माँ उसे मिल गई. What? And here Bhaiji is a grown-up man. He was older than Ma. Just imagine वो कैसे खुद को वहां पे संभाले होंगे. How he would have had controlled his tears, we do not know. After some moments, I asked, have I any chance of spiritual uplift? Ma said, the hunger is not yet there. भाईजी ने क्या आध्यात्मिक पथ में ऊर्ध्व जाने के लिए, ऊपर जाने के लिए क्या कुछ चांस है? और माँ जवाब देती है एकदम वेरी स्ट्रेट कट, the hunger is not yet there. अभी भी भूख नहीं है. I had come with a strong wish to say so much and to hear so much, but I sat speechless, spellbound, as it were by some ineffable experience of grace never experienced before. I saw that Mataji too keeps silent. After a little while, I bowed to her with an emotionally overwhelmed heart and took leave. I could not touch her feet, though I had a strong desire to do so. It was through fear or delicacy, some mysterious impulse pushed me away. I did not go to Shahabag after that. I reflected thus. As long as she would not draw me close to her like my own mother, removing her veil, how could I clasp her feet to my bosom? भाई जी को मुझे लगता है होता है ना, माँ बेटे के कभी कभार अभिमान होता है ना, माँ बेटे के बीच में चलता है. आप सभी यहाँ पे, इतनी सारी माँ यहाँ पे, आप सबको तो पता होगा. बेटे को अभिमान हुआ कि जब तक माँ मुझे खुद से नहीं बुलाएंगी तब तक कैसे करके मैं माँ के चरणों को पकड़ूंगा. तो जब तक वो खुद से नहीं बुलाएंगे मैं नहीं जाऊंगा. Just like a stubborn kid. Here already the relationship has started between Ma and Bhaiji. There was a great conflict in me, a sharp pain at her aloofness and a strong desire to see her. Both equally strong and in opposition to each other, went on combating together. In the meantime, I went twice to the adjoining Sikh temple near Shahabag, and standing by the garden wall, I saw Mataji from a distance so that nobody could notice it. During these days of indecision, I would analyze the peculiar movement of the mind and would often question myself. What are things coming to? But I had no power of taking a decision about what was right and what was wrong. I could always get news about Ma and listen with attention to every story about her Leela. In this manner, I passed 7 months in the midst of the din and bustle of everyday life. One day, I brought Ma to my house. An intense joy thrilled my whole being to meet her after such a long time. But it was not permanent. When she was about to leave my house, I bowed down to touch her feet, but she withdrew them quickly. I felt as if pierced by a smarting pain. आज हम लोग यहीं तक रखेंगे मातृदर्शन का पाठ. हम लोगों ने देखा कि पहली बार माँ के पास जी गए, माँ पहला द फर्स्ट इंटेंस डिजायर ही हैड वाज दैट कैसे माँ के चरणों में मैं पड़ जाऊं, कैसे माँ के चरणों को मैं छू लूं। नहीं माँ करने दी, एंड ही हैड अ not anurag. I even don't know what's the English word for anurag. We have such beautiful words, our Sanskrit. लेकिन अभिमान, सॉरी नॉट अनुराग, अभिमान हुआ माँ के ऊपर उनका। 7 महीने बीत गए, वो दूर से माँ को देख और फिर से माँ को घर पे लाए। अब इस बार माँ ने जबरदस्ती अपना पैर खींच लिया। माँ को तो पता था, माँ वॉज नोइंग what he was wanting. So imagine the situation of Bhaiji. He must felt like a fish out of water, you know. So अब हम लोग in our next satsang we will see what happened next. How ultimately was Bhaiji able to touch Ma's feet? How and when in this Leela? Remembering Bhai Yudhishthira Rai, who was Ma's and Baba Bholnath's first Dharmaputra, जिन्होंने माँ को नाम दिया आनंदमयी. So we should be forever be grateful to Bhaiji. जय माँ, जय माँ. अब हम कीर्तन करेंगे. हमारे सेशन आज थोड़ा लेट शुरू हुआ था, तो आप लोग आज साथ में हैं, तो 3 कीर्तन सोचे हैं. देखते हैं अगर हम लोग कर सकते हैं. तो माँ गाएंगी. द सेशन इज एज वी हैड टॉक्ड इन द फर्स्ट सेशन, वी विल लर्न हाउ टू सिंग. माँ इज गोइंग टू बी आवर म्यूजिक टीचर. हाउ टू सिंग विथ माँ. सो आप, मैंने लिरिक्स आज थे, so I will check the order. Khushbu, can you please can you tell us the order of the kirtans if possible?
Just give me a second.
Yeah. तो इसमें 2 बहुत फेमस माँ के कीर्तन हैं. एक श्रीमन नारायण नारायण.
That was the first one, Shubh. Jai Ma.
जय माँ, जय माँ. Thank you. श्रीमन नारायण नारायण.
Yes,
And
the first one is Sriman Narayan.
And second is Radha and Krishna Naam. You know, this is such a powerful the way Ma said Radha. He says Radha O Radha O Radha. And sometimes the O also sounds like Om. I really do not know what man is actually singing. Radha is singing Radha Om or Radha O. It's like invoking Radha. Radha को वो बुला रही है. Radha O राधा ओम राधा 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 ओम. तो ये रेयर रिकॉर्डिंग है. उसके बाद है जो कि हम बहुतों ने इसको सुना है, बहुतों का फेवरेट है, सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम ब्रह्म. वेद उपनिषद उपनिषदों के 4 महावाक्य, जो कि माँ के संयम सप्ताह में स्पेशली इसको गाया जाता था. और आज पोमिंदर जी से मैंने सुना कि माँ के जन्मोत्सव में भी रात में पूजा के समय बहुत से आश्रमों में इस सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम ब्रह्म को गाया जाता है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, आप सभी रेडी रहिए टू लर्न फ्रॉम माँ. खुश टू प्ले द रिकॉर्डिंग. पहले माँ गाएंगी, फिर हम लोग सुनेंगे. उस समय नहीं गाएंगे, माँ को सुनेंगे. फिर जब भक्त लोग गाएंगे रिकॉर्डिंग में, हम भी माँ के साथ गाएंगे. सो क्लोज योर आईज and you will feel you are sitting there with Ma and we were singing. So let's go into this divine ecstasy. Khushbu, please play Narayan, Sriman Narayan. Yes.
ओम मां
गायनमनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं गायनमनन्तं सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं शान्तं शिवमद्वैतं ब्रह्म शान्तं शिवमद्वैतं ब्रह्म शान्तं शिवमद्वैतं सत्यं ब्रह्म ज्ञानं ब्रह्म अद्वैतं ब्रह्म अनन्तं ब्रह्म आनन्दं ब्रह्म सत्यं ब्रह्म ज्ञानं ब्रह्म अनन्तं ब्रह्म आनन्दं ब्रह्म
जय माँ, जय माँ, जय माँ, जय माँ। माँ 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 माँ। माँ ही मूल मंत्र है हम सभी के लिए। माँ माँ माँ। आज क्योंकि हम समय अतिक्रम कर रहे हैं, तो जो राधा नाम हमने बोला, we are going to leave it for you all on the WhatsApp group, so that even before going to sleep today, you go with Ma's voice in your ears today. लेकिन हम लोग आज इस सत्संग को विराम देने के पहले माँ की एक मातृवाणी हम लोग, बस बहुत छोटा सा मातृवाणी है, उसको हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, सुनेंगे, ताकि इस पूरे हफ्ते हमें विश्वास रहे कि माँ हमें क्या बोल रही है। खुशबू, काइंडली प्लीज शो अस द मातृवाणी। जो मातृवाणी है, today I chose this Matrivani particularly. Ma is saying to us, you are asking whether your feelings reach this body or not. Yes, yes, yes. तुम मुझसे ये पूछ रहे हो कि क्या तुम लोगों के सभी भाव, सभी प्रार्थनाएं, सब कुछ क्या शरीर तक पहुंचती हैं? ये शरीर बोल रही है हाँ हाँ हाँ। और माँ ये बात भी बोलती थी, ये शरीर कभी झूठ नहीं बोलती। तो याद रखे, हम हर मुहूर्त इस हफ्ते कोशिश करें इस मातृवाणी को ध्यान रखने की। हमारे मन में जो भी है, जो भी फीलिंग्स है, कभी हमें गुस्सा आ रहा है, कष्ट हो रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है, हम दौड़ते हैं इंसानों के पास, लोगों के पास, दोस्तों के पास। क्या हम सब पूर्ण हैं? We are not complete in our own selves. So Ma here is telling us, whatever you tell to this body, whatever you feel, whatever you have bhava, it reaches this body and it reaches. Yes, yes. So rather just wandering around to solace the company of others. Ma is promising here, she is listening to us. So why shouldn't we only talk to Ma? जिनसे बात करके कुछ फायदा होए। अपूर्ण, हम सब अपूर्ण हैं, अपूर्णता से अगर हम पूर्णता हम लोग पाने की सोचते हैं तो हमें दुख ही मिलता है। हमें वो हो सकता है थोड़ी सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलती है, हम सबके अंदर माँ है, लेकिन पूर्ण we are going to get the full satisfaction only and only when we give our bhavas to माँ, when we talk with माँ। माँ से माँ सुनती हैं, हाँ हाँ हाँ। इसी बात को ध्यान में रख के हम कोशिश करते इस हफ्ते हमारे जीवन में जो भी आए हम पहले उस बात को माँ को बताएं। आशा करता हूं अगली बार आप सब आएंगे और लोगों को अपने साथ लेके आएंगे इस महायज्ञ में जो कि मातृ सत्संग है। और आज मैं बैठा भी हूं एकदम जहां कनखल माँ के समाधि के पीछे जहां पे यज्ञ हुआ था, अतिरुद्र यज्ञ, आज वहां दूसरा सत्संग हो रहा है। और ये सत्संग जो है, माँ बोलती थी सत्संग से सतयुग। आशा करते हैं ये महायज्ञ तब तक अनवरत चलता रहेगा, तब तक, ये नहीं 1 साल 2 साल, जब तक, इट्स अ क्रेजी आइडिया, जब तक माँ खुद ना आ जाए हमारे सत्संग में एक दिन कीर्तन कर। जय माँ,
जय माँ, जय माँ।
जय माँ, जय माँ, जय माँ, जय माँ, जय माँ। Please see the WhatsApp group. We are going to share the Radha Kirtan in the WhatsApp group. Jai Ma, everybody. Jai Ma.
जय माँ, जय माँ,
जय माँ।
Jai Ma, thank you for joining.
जय माँ, थैंक यू जी।